Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Raza and welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing Chamber. Today I am going to discuss with you hosted page. In this video I will discuss the second part for the preference page. In first part I discuss about list preference page and global preference page and how you can make changings for those two cases. Okay. So in this case we will make a hosted page that you can connect with your list preference page or global preference page. Means you will not need to make a preference page for individual case. Okay. So for that, here you are seeing the option hosted page. So this option you can use when you will use a plan of Klaviyo. So okay, so if you are using a plan and even you are not looking this option on the left side, so then you have to click on this option and then you will click on account. So after account you will see a new screen and then you have to click on setting option. Okay, so after this I will click on domain and hosting. So from that screen you can use if you are not having this option on the left hand side. Okay, so as I am having this option, so I am not like using this screen. So after that what we have to do, so here two are options available. First is page and second is asset. So from here you have to click on this option add new page and you have to give it a name like tmpl. So don't forget to add this .tmpl. Okay, so you can use preference word also. Okay, so then I will click on add page. So after that you will see an HTML code. Okay, so then I will click on preview. So you will see, so this is like this code. Okay, because here only content word is written. So if you are thinking that you are not good at HTML, so I am also not good at HTML, but I have solution for it, so I will remove it. So then you can go to the Klaviyo doc. So what is the title of this talk is how to custom code and unsubscribe or manage preference page. Okay, so when you will go down here you are seeing that example of HTML code. So you can use this HTML code if you are not good or if you are not having knowledge about HTML. Okay, so after copying it I will go back and here I will paste it. Okay, so then I will click on preview. Oh, this is the same as we have in the previous case. So now I did it intentionally, okay, so that I can show you why this is so. So first you have to place the code and then you have to click on save. Okay, so after saving it, so here it is saved. So after saving it you will click on preview. So then you will see this is the preference page. Okay, due to the HTML that you have pasted. So if you want to add picture here, okay, so then how you can do this? So for that here is the second option, asset. And remember, if you want to make changing in these options, so you can go through this HTML code. Okay, so here are the input data from where you can find out where you want to make changes, so you can do this. Okay, so how you can add image? So from here you have to click on this, so this logo at the top, upload asset. Okay, so after that it will be added in our asset. So yes, it is added. So I will click on this image on the left side and it will be appeared on right. So I will click right click on this image and I will click on open image in new tab. Okay, so then you have to copy this URL of this image. Okay, so then again I have to back in preference.tmpl HTML code. So from here you will go down at 123. Okay, 123 number. Okay, So here is the image source. So I will remove this URL that is between the commas, and I will paste that I have copy from this. Okay, so then I will click on save. So after saving it, I will click on preview. So it will take some time. So yes, you can say here the logo. Okay, so remember, you can change its widthness. Okay, so you can do it using paint or any other tool. So you have to change its resolution so that it can be minimized to small size. Okay, so in this way you can set or change your HTML or hosted page. So let's suppose if it is done now. So what we have to do next? So then you have to click, you have to go to like preference page. Okay, so you have to link this page to your all the preference pages. Okay, so here you will see the option. So here you are looking the option use custom page. So I will click on this. So I will select from here preference.tmpl, save settings. Okay, so again attach it with unsubscribe preference page also. So if you want to make different for these two cases, so you can do and attach with these options. So now let's go to the list preference pages. So you can also attach this hosted page with your list preference pages also. So whenever anyone click on preference page or unsubscribe page, so then this option will be this form will be appear there. Okay, so like I have to click on this, like this is the list. So I will go to the list subscribe and preference page. Okay, so after clicking on it, I have to go here. So just wait. So use custom page. Okay, so from here I will click on preference.tmpl, and again I will use this option here, preference.tmpl, save settings. So in same way you will do for all other lists where you want to add this hosted page. Okay, so this was, and remember you can use the data that is appear that is used in preference page, in hosted page, for segmentation. Okay, like let me go through there once again so that I can clear you. So like if we are having no, I don't want to add, so I will click on it and preview. So like here we are demanding that interest. So here you can change the interest, like you can write here shoes, clothes, whatever you store is dealing with. So then you can use this data, like if someone click on shoes, select the shoes option, so then you can use this data for segmentation, and you can send them campaign regarding this property or data. Okay, so you can use it later on. So this was the second part, and I tried my best to cover the preference page in 2 parts. So if you find some good thing from this video and you don't have subscribed my channel, so kindly do subscribe. Stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you.